Today we are going to discuss about the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. He was really one of the best person. Was born in 1817 in Delhi. He got his early education at home. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan brought up in a religious family. He first learned Quran and then read routine course books of Persian. In 1814 he became a judge and worked in many cities of India. Earlier, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was of the opinion of better relationship between Britishers and Muslims, and he wrote several books to patch up the gap between these two nations. But after the War of Independence of 1857, he realized that Britishers would never be a friend of Muslims. Actually, he has been realized that British wanted to crush the Muslims. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan tried to change this attitude. He wrote a magazine, Asbab-e-Baghawat-e-Hind, to clarify the truth reason of war so that Britishers could treat Muslims better. Sir Syed firmly believed that getting modern and scientific education is must for Muslims. Otherwise, they will be ruined in every field of life by Hindus who were learning English and getting prime positions in government offices. For this purpose, he went to England to observe the British education system. Having returned from London, he started a school in Aligarh in 1857. Sir Syed was the first ever leader of Muslim of Indo-Pak who realized that Muslims and Hindus are two separate nations. This ideology proved to be the base of struggle of Pakistan. The Muslims of Indo-Pak realized that they are separate nation and they should get a separate country where they could live freely. This struggle was led by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad and other prominent leaders, and Pakistan came into being as the independent state of Muslims of subcontinent in 1947. Anyway, this prominent leader went away from this world in 27th May 1898. May Allah rest his soul. Ameen. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel.